Hello YouTube. This morning I'm going to install the decal I need to cover up these pillars. As you can see right here, these are black. You can see how the paint's fading off them. Basically I'm going to put some two decals that cover that up. Don't have to paint or anything. It's a nice black color. So let's look at the decals before you install them. These are the decals. So I'm going to start with this strip right here. And the decals are on. They're nice and black. Got some fingerprints on it, but I haven't washed the car yet. So let's get to the bumper trim. This is the old bumper trim. As you can see, it's coming apart. It's discolored, it's peeling, and it's held on by double-sided tape. So I'm going to peel that off, clean the surface of any residue left over, and put on the new chrome trim. And there's the new trim put on. Both sides are done. Now I just need to prep them and then repaint them so that color match the bumper. I'm going to redo the whole bumper just like I did the front. But I'm done. Till next video, I'll see you.